Hi students, now I'll discuss one problem from permutations. So here given problem, arrange the letters of the word prison, prison, and write in dictionary order. So first arrange the 6 letters. Okay, after that we'll get some words. That words write in dictionary order. Then find the rank of the word prison. So first given word prison. So how many letters there? 6 letters there. 6 letters, how many ways we can arrange? 6 factorial ways. 6 factorial is 720. So number of words by that letters of the word prison will get 720. Okay. So from that we have to find rank of the word prison. Okay. So we have to write 720 letters, 720 words in the dictionary order. How we will get in dictionary? In that order we have to write 720 words. In that 720 words, what is the serial number of prison? So serial number of prison is rank of the prison. Okay. How we can find that rank? Okay. Now to find rank, first we have to write alphabetical order of that letters of the word. So alphabetical order. So alphabetical order. So first we have to take like A, B, C, D in that order, alphabetical order. First we will get I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. So alphabetical order we have to write. After that we have to take words by these 6 letters. Okay. So in the dictionary first we will get word starting with I. So the 6 letter word starting with, or the word start with I. So that means first place I. So first place I, that means the words come with I, start with I. So I we have to take in first place. Remaining 5 blanks we have to fill with the remaining 5 letters. 5 with 5, 5p5, that means 5 factorial ways. Next, the word start with second, N. So we have to change first letter up to first letter of the given word. Up to P we have to change. So N. How many ways? 5 factorial ways, same way. Next, the words start with O. How many ways this? Same way, 5 factorial ways. Next, the word starts with P. So we want prison rank. That's why first letter is P. We got P. So after this, we got first letter. So next we have to search for second letter. So first, before going to second letter, we have to delete P from alphabetical order. Next we have to search for second. So go from first. Okay, we have to again beginning with I for second letter. Okay, so P-I. So here 4 blanks, 4 other than I. P already deleted. 4 letters there. 4 in 4. 4p4. 4 factorial ways. Next, the words start with P, N. So second letter R we have to get. Up to R we have to change second place. P, N. How many ways? Same way. 4 factorial. Next, the words start with P. After N, O. P, O. P, O. How many ways? Same 4 factorial ways. Next, the word start with P, O. after O R. Second letter what we want? Second letter from present R we got. So after that delete R from alphabetical order. Again we have to search for third letter. So start with I again. P R I. What is the third letter? I. That also we got. Okay. Next we have to search for fourth letter. Fourth letter S. Up to S we have to change fourth place. So start with N, fourth place. P R I N. So remaining place is 2. So 2 factorial ways. Next the words start with P R I after N. O. P R I O. So that is equal to same way 2 factorial. Next the words start with P R I after O S. We want S only, fourth. So we got. So delete from, remove from alphabetical order. Again search for fifth letter. So start with N for fifth letter. P R I S N. Remaining one blank. There one letter. 1 in 1. 1 factorial ways. So next P R I S after N O. We want O only, fifth letter. So delete that. Remaining only N. Take that. P R I S O N. So there is no blanks. So 0 blanks, 0 thing, 0 letters, 0 factorial ways. So 0 factorial is 1. Therefore rank of the word present. The word present is add all these values. How many 5 factorials? 3 there. 4 factorials? 3 there. 2 factorials? 2 there. 1 factorial? 1 there. 0 factorial? 1. So 3 into 120 plus 3 into 24 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 plus 1. 360 plus 72 plus 4 plus 2. So now add 2, 4, 6, 2, 8, 7, 6, 13, 4. So rank of the word 438. That means if you write all 720 letters in the dictionary order, present serial number 438. That is the rank of that word. Okay, understood? Okay, same this problem how we can do in objective. This is board exam model. In board exam we have to do like this. Okay, once again see, observe this. Now we'll discuss board,